YouTube video. Today, I'll be starting a new series or a weekly video series, if you want to say it that way, called Virtual Box Sunday. So every Sunday, I'll be doing an operating system. So for today, I decided to do with I'm gonna start with Windows 98 and not 95 because 95 won't want to work for some reason. Okay, this is the wrong thing. I meant to click on this. Yeah, sorry. As you can see, I already have Windows 98. I'm just gonna remove this and start a new one. Let's delete all files. Okay, now I just started my Windows 10 one, and it's not right. It's just part of my Windows 10 one. You can't see it because it's on the other screen. So that's it. That's the 9 first. Okay, so now I'm back. Sorry. I'm gonna start with a new one. New one. I'm gonna be calling it Windows 98. You should automatically change to the version of Windows 98. 64 megs is fine. 2 gigabytes is fine because I'm not gonna use it forever. Okay, so now I just have to add my drive, which is here. Windows 98. Okay, maybe not. Maybe I have to choose it. Now from here, yes, it's really here. Just choose this and this should work. Now let's start it up. Wait, it's inaccessible. Okay. This is the problem I faced with my Windows 95 one as well. Let me just see why first it's inaccessible. Does it have to be in my... Okay, it only worked when it was in my downloads folder. So maybe it wants to be in my downloads folder? Yeah, never mind, that's very weird. Let me just drag it to my downloads folder. Now, go here, choose a disk image. And from my downloads folder, yeah, it's down here. This should work now. Yeah, I only reads it if it's in my download folder. That is so weird. Okay, never mind. Anyways, just switch first. Okay, it's very small. You might not be able to see it, but I'm just gonna boot from one, and it's really rebooting, so that's too late. Let's just increase my view size first. Okay, I'm gonna choose one. Okay, it'll reboot. Every time I press one, it reboots, so I have to press two. Sorry. Then I'll choose one if I'm not wrong. Now this is my driver. Okay. Now let's just press enter because I wanna do this quickly, and I'm gonna enable large space. Okay, now I can boot from this, can't I? Boot failure. Okay, never mind, I take that back. It's part of the machine. I remembered now. Sorry guys, yeah, meant to switch immediately. Okay, so now you choose two first, then you choose one, and so you let the driver thingy load again. It's formatting my drive because I already installed it the previous time, but you meant to choose enter. Okay, now we insert up. Yeah, if that's what you call it. Just press continue. Let's just do capture because I do have to do this if I want to use the mouse controls. This is quite smooth experience. I mean, it's a bit laggy, but that's problem. Let me just command out first so I can just get rid of these things on top, and let's command back in capture, and yes, I'll choose the Windows directory, and now it's gonna check it for install components. Okay, this is very fast. I'm gonna use desktop because I'm actually like using um iMac, so yeah, my computer name anything would do. Now let's just go to Singapore. Where is it? Okay, I have Singapore here. Let's go next. What's next? Okay, it's gonna start copying Windows 98 files. Okay, yeah, sorry. Okay. So now let's just chill here for a while. Okay, that's quite quick. Oh no, never mind. I didn't see it still copying. So now we'll probably have to wait like a bit more. Okay, maybe a long while more, but you'll just have to like just sit here and wait through it. 75%, almost done. Okay, good. Now let's just wait for this. 80 something percent. Okay. 90 and okay. Let's just restart it immediately because I don't want to wait. This should bring me, yeah, I'm gonna boot from Drive now since this works. Yes, my name is Isaiah. My company, I don't have a company, so it's probably gonna be Isaiah as well. Oh, actually, never mind, Quirky Tech, if that's what you want. Quirky Tech, sure. Now let's just press next. I accept the license agreement. Okay, now my prod key. Okay. Okay. Give me a moment while I try to find my keys. Okay, my last 5 digits. GG. I think I typed it correctly. Next. Okay, it's great. Let's just finish it up now. Oh, this is where the longer. Oh, actually, no, it's doing very fast compared to the previous time. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm tugging my headphones because by accident. Sorry. Okay, so now we are just gonna have to wait a while more. It's 35% complete, almost done. Okay. I've actually not used Windows 98 before, except for like when I was trying to test it for this video. After I've actually used 98 before, so new experience. Let's just go back here. Get your mouse back here. Okay, it's quite laggy sometimes, but I don't think that's not really the. I don't really think the cause of it is probably the amount of RAM it has. I mean, it should have enough because the minimum around is 32 megabytes. I have 64 megs of RAM. Yeah, megabytes, not even gigabytes, because yeah, it's Windows 98. Okay, this should be almost be completed. Okay, let's just click restart. Okay, let's try see Windows 98. Okay. Okay, now it's setting up everything. Okay, let's probably give it a while more. Okay, great. This is okay. Okay, this is the problem. I do not actually know how to. Okay, let's apply. Oh, I can actually hear the MacBook's fans, the iMac's fan spinning up. Let me hear. Yeah, it's pretty hot. Just from installing Windows 98. Ooh, that toasty. Okay. Now let's just give this one more. Okay. What? Like, updates everything. Brings me through the installation process and everything. Why does Windows 98 install so slowly? I mean, Windows 10 installs even slower, but still. Wait, you can drag this? Can we drag this? No, we can't. It's very weird. I didn't know you could do all of this, like dragging this around. And because I've never actually used 98 before, like I stated just now. So I guess you just have to wait for it to finish updating system settings. I don't think that'll be quick. feel like we are about to meet an error. No? Okay, it's fast now. Okay, I take that back. Never mind, it's still okay. Decent speed. Okay, I think it should be about to be done. After this, I think it would do a final reboot, maybe. It might, but I don't know. I don't think so. Actually, yeah, I think it would, just to like bring it in. Yeah, one last restart. Let's go. Okay, we get virtual box. Wait, let's F. Oh, never mind. Let's just boot from one. See Windows 98 and okay. Password. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Oh, my MacBook's fans. I mean, my iMac. Why do I keep on calling it a MacBook? Oh, this is very warm. You know, actually, yeah. I'm just gonna go pull up Task Manager on my. Not Task Manager. I mean, not Task Manager. Intel Power. Oh, that's nostalgic. That is a very nice Windows 98 theme. Okay. So, okay, I mean, Windows 98 is loading in. Go back to the screen. Oh, it's loud. Okay, that's quite loud. I don't know whether you can hear, but okay. I just muted it. So, on my left screen, it's telling me my CPU is at max, currently at 4.9, but my theoretical max is 5, but it's at 4.9 now, and my temperature is sitting quite calmly at 71, so that should be fine. Yeah, let me just raise my thing. Okay, we can register now, sure. I mean, I don't even think connecting to the internet works. Okay, let's just click next. I don't know whether this even works. Okay, just this. I don't know. It's quite old. Okay. Okay, this is good. You see whether this works. I mean, I've honestly never tried it before. Oh my god. Yeah, I don't have that kind of email that's ancient. I guess I just have to skip this process. Okay, I've never wanted to access the page either. But can I? Okay, my mouse is very weird right now. Just close this page. Okay, good. And can I close this? Okay. Very good, that's great. Now we'll launch Internet Explorer. See how that works. And let's go to like maybe youtube.com. I'm quite sure this doesn't work. But if it does, I'll be quite happy. Okay, sure. Let's press okay. Okay, what did I expect? Did I expect it to work? I mean, not really. So, yeah. Okay, now a lot of things here. We got a lot of files. It's Windows 98. What do you expect? I mean, I've never used it before. It's quite interesting. So there's programs. That's always DOS and MS DOS. This kind of things. There's this. And there should be games. I don't know how to access it though. Entertainment is probably under here. No, maybe not. System tools is probably a task manager. Okay, maybe not that too. So do you not have system info? Okay, we'll just take a look at system info. This tells me this is a clean install of a full OEM copy of Windows 98. It's a genuine Pentium 2 processor and a 64 max of RAM. No, I'm not using a Pentium 2, but sure, this works. And Okay, I didn't expect it to be this. This isn't actually that bad. Okay, let's actually just see if MS-DOS even works. So, I mean, DOS probably works. And can I run Doom? I don't know how to run Doom because, yeah, I've never actually used Windows 98 SE before. So, yeah, let's wait. So, let's just close MS-DOS, come all the way down here, and shut down. And shut down. Actually, let's restart MS-DOS mode. Oh, restart. I've no clue. dir. Okay, something I know. Shut down. Don't think that's a command. Dir C drive. Okay, that works. Dir D drive. Dir. No. Okay. Okay, I'm quite sure that's like mostly enough messing around with Windows 98 here. Quite sure that's very interesting looking back in the past and what people used to, browse on the internet with Windows 98. It's a very fun experience, and I've probably also got the 95 to work. So I'm probably gonna do a video about that next Sunday. Or yeah, probably next Sunday. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys liked it, please leave a like, subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in the next video I make. Thank you. Bye bye.